Hey everybody, this is going to be maximum a 2-minute video where I show you real quick what is going to be inside the foundation phase of the color block method course, which you can find in the classroom, which is part of the Secret Piano Games community. So let's go back to the color block method course. Then we can choose lesson 1, for example. It's designed that you don't have to start at lesson 1. You can also start at lesson 9, which means that you can play the green block first if you want to do that. But if you like to learn in a linear path, then I would suggest start with lesson 1 and you have the blue block. So for each color block you can choose a different speed, and you can see my hand playing the color block. I included some graphs that make it a little bit easy for you to instantly understand what's going on, and sheet music for those who know how to read sheet music. But the goal is to play eventually improvisations for as long as you want, let's say 30 minutes, by copy and pasting these patterns over and over and over again, so you don't have to rely on individual notes. So let's go into the red block, which is the block that I use most. And then you try to match what I play in the instruction video. You can do that for each color block, and hopefully that is helpful. Real quick before we end, I want to show you this, which is in the Start Here course. There's a color block visualizer where you can actually choose the color block, and it plays for you the color block. It doesn't show my hand, of course, but you can play the color block and literally create your own songs. So if you choose C, F, D, of course now we're going over the 2-minute mark, but this is fun to show. You can just play this. So these are pre-existing patterns that you can copy over and over again, and you can change the color just like that. And eventually the idea is that you can play the melody on top. So if you choose a song like Gangsta's Paradise from Coolio, then with the left hand, hope that's helpful. That's just a quick introduction to the color block visualizer, but of course for the foundation phase of the color block method, you only have to focus on learning each individual color block, where the goal is to get familiar with all of them. Hope that's helpful, and I see you in the next phase, which is fun.